Welcome, I'm John from DIY ELIQUID Recipes, and I hope you're having a good day wherever you are right now. Today, I'm back with another review, and I'm going to quickly take a look at Capella's Cereal 27, give you some useful ratios, and also share with you a simple recipe to start with this flavor. I will be having a few cereal-themed videos coming up next, and this one would be the first review in this series. Now, Cereal 27 is a fairly new concentrate introduced about 1 year ago and slowly became fully available during the last year. Nonetheless, Cereal 27 is a fairly good tasting flavor. Compared to other cereal concentrates like the one from TFA for example, I could say Capella's version tastes a lot more realistic. It has a crisp cereal taste but not too strong. It is just a medium strength cereal flavor. It would work very well or better than most flavors if your end goal was creating a simple bowl of milk and cereal e-liquid recipe. And then there's a slight taste of honey maybe, or something similar to it. If it's not honey, it might be a darker vanilla flavor used as an accent. But unless you vape it solo, you shouldn't be able to taste it since it is mostly in the background. Altogether, it is pretty much a good and simple cereal concentrate that will work as intended. Next, I will give you the recommended ratios to start with this flavor. If you would like to use it solo, use it from 4% up to 10%. If you're looking for something mild, or if it's the first time trying it, then 4 or 5% should be plenty. So 10% I would say is the absolute maximum for solo. If you want to use it as a cookie base or cereal base, then use it from 3 up to 6%. Usually somewhere in the middle, around 4%, is a good spot to start for a new recipe. And last, if you want to use it as an accent or to help boost another cereal or cookie flavor, then usually 1% would do, with 2% as a maximum accent flavor. Now next, I will show you a quick recipe that I have prepared with this flavor. It was originally much longer, but I realized it still had a very good flavor even with just few ingredients. So feel free to build on it, and if you come up with something interesting, maybe leave it in a comment for us too. So here is the recipe. It uses Cereal 27 as a base with 1% of graham cracker. You could also use Capella's cracker or even flavor as cookie. Basically, you just need something with a little bit of acido parmesan to help the cereal notes. And last, there is the very good pair of two creams working together very nicely and adding some nice mellow taste to the crunchy base. It is a simple recipe but full enough with flavor that it won't need a sweetener or any other boosters. So if you want to add something, just add a new flavor like caramel, pistachio, or some nuts, and they should work fine all together. As a summary, I want to say that Cereal 27 is probably the best all-around cereal flavor available. Sure, there are a few more out there, and I will try to review at least one more, but if you want something that works straight from the box with minimal or no additions, then the Capella's version would be the first one to try. I wouldn't call it the best cereal ever, but probably the best cereal yet on the market. If you have this concentrate already in your collection, feel free to share your thoughts and recipes too. A new fruity e-liquid recipe is coming out on this Sunday, so thank you for watching today, and I will see you again next time.